This is my journey. A Nikon remote unboxing review, but first let's talk about the giveaway. Like, subscribe to Alicia's Life Journey for your chance to win a free Amazon gift card in the giveaway. Don't forget to comment. Let's get started with the Nikon remote shutter release unboxing and setup. Today I'm doing an unboxing review for a wireless shutter release remote for Nikon. And this works for most Nikons. So let's go. See right here, it was only $10. It's a nice, it's lightweight, small, compact. And I'm going to show you how to set these up, guys, with your DSLR camera. So you just pull that plastic out of the slot, which keeps the battery to work and operate. Turn on your DSLR. Turn your camera to the side. You see that little side button right there? Where you continue your shots. Little small button underneath your camera lens. You press that. And then it's going to give you release mode selections. And you're going to go to release mode quick response remote. See the yellow box lighted up? Then you click that. You need to extend your lens and then turn on your flash, and then just click the release button on your remote and it will work. See, let me show you right here. And you see, you guys, this is really nice. Just click it and it'll flash. This is really good. It's $10. It's really worth your pay. And you can just replace the battery from your local dollar store. It's a lithium battery, so just get another one. And there you go. That's cheap and easy. And I got this from Amazon.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.